Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. And in this quick guide, I'll walk you through how to sign into YouTube Kids as a parent using your Windows computer. Let's get started. First, open your browser and go to www.youtubekids.com. And at the bottom right corner of the page, click Sign In. If this is your first time using the platform, you'll automatically be guided through the setup. But if you have used the app before without logging in, simply click Sign In again, then hit Get Started. Now, enter your age as the parent, then click Confirm. This is to verify that you are an adult setting up the account. Next, choose your Google account from the list. If it doesn't appear, you can manually log in using your email and password. Once selected, click Sign In, then scroll down and click Done. You'll be asked to re-enter your Google password. Go ahead and confirm that. Now, it's time to set up your child's profile. Type in your child's first name, then scroll down and select their age. You'll also see an optional field for birth month. You can skip this if you want. Click Next to proceed. Now, you'll be asked to choose your content preference. Pick a setting that best suits your child's age. Then click Next and hit Select. After a short loading time, the profile will be created. Click the arrow icon at the bottom right and continue through the final steps. And that's it. You are now signed in and ready to explore YouTube Kids. Remember, you can always return to the settings to update profile details or adjust viewing restrictions anytime. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to Guide with Samuel for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching, guys.